हेलो फ्रेंड्स, लास्ट वीडियो में हमने इंट्रोडक्शन टू फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स देखा, जिसमें हमने फ्लूइड और फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स की कंसेप्ट डिटेल में स्टडी की। अब इस वीडियो में हम प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ फ्लूइड देखेंगे। तो दोस्तों, शुरू करते हैं अपनी पहली फ्लूइड प्रॉपर्टी, दैट इज़ डेंसिटी। फ्रेंड्स, ये जो प्रॉपर्टी डेंसिटी है, इसके लिए हम दूसरा एक वर्ड यूज़ कर सकते हैं, दैट इज़ मास डेंसिटी। और ये प्रॉपर्टी रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए हम एक सिंबल यूज़ करेंगे, दैट इज़ रो। इसकी जो डेफिनेशंस है वो बहुत ही सिंपल है और इट इज़ डिफाइंड एज मास ऑफ फ्लूइड पर यूनिट्स पर इट्स यूनिट वॉल्यूम। ये जो क्वांटिटी है ये इंडिकेट करती है कि कोई भी सब्सटेंस की 1 मीटर क्यूब वॉल्यूम में कितना मास कंटेन हो सकता है। मैथमेटिकली वी कैन राइट दिस टर्म डेंसिटी एज रो, दैट इज फॉर द डेंसिटी दैट इज इक्वल्स टू मास ऑफ द फ्लूइड डिवाइडेड बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ द फ्लूइड। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी हियर that is the SI unit of the density. So we are knowing the formula, that is mass of the fluid per its unit volume. So mass has unit in SI system, that is kg, and volume has unit, that is meter cube. So SI unit of density is kg per meter cube. Now we can write the CGS unit as well. So in CGS system, mass is represented in gram and volume is in terms of centimeter cube. So CGS system of density is gram per centimeter cube. We are going to see some standard values of density. So first we are going to see the density of water. Here we have written the rho for density and this is for water. So density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube, and density of mercury, so this is rho for density and Hg is a symbol for mercury, so we are writing here. So density of mercury is 13600 kg per meter cube. So we must know that what exactly this fluid property indicate. So density indicates that in 1 meter cube of volume, how much mass of that fluid can contain. So this property indicate the amount of mass contained in 1 meter cube of volume. So we are knowing that density of water and density of mercury. From this we can write that density of mercury is greater than density of water. So from this we can conclude that in 1 meter cube of volume there will be 1000 kg of water, and in 1 meter cube of volume there will be 13600 kg of mercury. So for the same volume there will be more mass content of mercury. Second property that we are going to see here is weight density. ये जो weight density है इसके लिए हम दूसरा एक वर्ड यूज़ कर सकते हैं, that is स्पेसिफिक वेट। और ये जो स्पेसिफिक वेट है इसे रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए हम सिंबल यूज़ करेंगे स्मॉल w। इसकी जो डेफिनेशन है वो भी काफ़ी सिंपल है, इट इज़ डिफाइंड एज वेट ऑफ फ्लूइड पर इट्स यूनिट वॉल्यूम। तो ये जो प्रॉपर्टी है ये इंडिकेट करती है कि 1 यूनिट वॉल्यूम में वो सब्सटेंस का कितना वेट कंटेन हो सकता है। मैथमेटिकली वी कैन राइट दिस वेट डेंसिटी एज weight density, that is equals to the weight of fluid divided by volume of the fluid. So in the next step we can write weight of fluid that is equals to mass of fluid multiplied by g. This is acceleration to gravity. So instead of weight of fluid, we have written here that mass of fluid multiplied by this g, that is acceleration to gravity, and volume of the fluid is kept as it is. In the next step, we have just arranged this term. So mass of fluid divided by volume of fluid, and we have kept this g out of the bracket. So we are knowing that this mass of fluid per unit volume is known as density, and for that density we are using symbol that is rho, and this g is as it is. So for weight density we can use symbol that is small w. So we can say that small w is equals to rho into g. So we can say specific weight that is equals to density into acceleration due to gravity. Now we are going to see here is unit of this quantity. So unit of this specific weight is Newton per meter cube. So weight is represented in Newton and volume is represented in meter cube. In the next step, we are going to calculate the weight density of water. As weight density is a standard value, so we must remember this weight density. This is density of water multiplied by this g, and we are knowing the values of density of water, that is 1000 kg per meter cube, and g is 9.81. so finally we can get here that is 9810 Newton per meter cube. So we can say the weight density of water is 9810 Newton per meter cube. This is H2O, that is water. So this is a standard value that we must remember. Third property that we are going to see here is specific volume. Now this is defined as volume of fluid per its unit mass. So this is again a very simple definition. ये जो स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम ये जो टर्म है ये इंडिकेट करती है कि 1 यूनिट मास और वी कैन से 1 kg मास कितना वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपाई कर सकता है. दिस इज नोन एज स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम. सो दिस इज वेरी सिंपल डेफिनेशन. नाउ दिस स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम इंडिकेट्स दैट कि 1 kg मास कितना वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपाई कर सकता है. सो दैट इज नोन एज स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम. So it indicates the amount of volume contained by 1 kg mass. In mathematical language, we can write here the specific volume that is equals to volume of fluid divided by mass of the fluid. In the next step, we will simply arrange the terms. Here we have just arranged the terms. Mass of fluid per unit volume is written as density, and for the density we have used symbol rho. So we can say that this specific volume is a reciprocal of density. The unit of this specific volume is, that is, meter cube per kg. Volume is represented in meter cube and mass is represented in kg. So we can say the SI unit of this quantity is meter cube per kg. Now the next term that we are going to see here is specific gravity. ये जो term है specific gravity, इसे हम relative density भी बोल सकते हैं, और इसके लिए symbol हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं, that is capital S. ये स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी क्या है? So it is the ratio of density of the fluid to the density of standard fluid. Now in mathematical language we can write here, this is a symbol S for the specific gravity, that is equals to the density of the fluid divided by density of the standard fluid. अब ये स्टैंडर्ड फ्लूइड क्या है? अगर फ्लूइड लिक्विड है, इफ द फ्लूइड इज लिक्विड देन द स्टैंडर्ड फ्लूइड इज वाटर. If the fluid is in gaseous form or if the fluid is gaseous, then the standard fluid is air. From the above formula we can calculate the specific gravity of water. So this is written as density of water divided by density of water. Here we can calculate density of water and density of water, so it will be get cancelled. So here we can write that is equals to 1. So specific gravity for water is 1. This is again a standard value that we must remember. Now we can calculate the specific gravity for mercury. This is, we have written this S for the specific gravity and this Hg for the mercury. So here we can write the density of mercury divided by density of water, as water is standard fluid. So density of mercury that we are knowing that 13,600 and density of water is 1000. So here we can find that specific gravity of mercury is 13.6. So these two values, specific gravity of water and specific gravity of mercury, that we must remember throughout our fluid mechanics. Now next term that we must know that unit of this specific gravity. So from this formula we can say that specific gravity is ratio of density of fluid to the density of standard fluid, means it is the ratio of same physical quantity. So we can say that specific gravity is unitless quantity. Unitless. So this was about the specific gravity. So friends, इस वीडियो में हमने ये 4 फ्लूइड प्रॉपर्टीज स्टडी की. अब जो बाकी फ्लूइड प्रॉपर्टीज है वो हम आने वाले वीडियो लेक्चर्स में देखेंगे. फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए. अगर आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ में बेल आइकॉन प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आपको हर एक वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. जय हिंद.